John just bought a new logging truck, and he's excited to start his job. Early in the morning, John woke up and washed his car thoroughly, carefully preparing for today's journey. His new truck is still very new, combined with the built-in wooden crane, making John feel extremely proud and appreciative of it. John drove alone to the logging site. Here, he personally controlled the crane to pick up each log onto the truck, then transported them to the gathering place. Although the work is difficult, John's passion and love for his job help him overcome all difficulties. The sound of birds singing echoed throughout the mountains and forests, creating more motivation for John to continue working enthusiastically. Every time he looks at the new truck, John feels like he owns a precious treasure, motivating him to work harder to keep the truck in the best condition. He was non-stop, from early morning to late evening, diligently working on each trip, each piece of wood. John's life became more meaningful with joyful laughter in the mountains and forests, and drops of sweat soaked in his new truck. Adding chains to the wheels has made the wheels grip the road better, especially on muddy and slippery roads. This technique has been applied to a wooden truck, making pulling wood much more convenient. Thanks to that, drivers can move through difficult terrain easily and safely. In addition, the use of a small bulldozer has been a great help in transporting wood from low to high areas. The power of the bulldozer helps drivers easily drag heavy pine logs up slopes, reducing the burden and hardship of daily work. Large logs are pulled gently, saving time and effort for the driver. Thanks to the support of these modern equipment, work not only becomes easier, but also much more effective. The combination of chains on wheels and a powerful dozer gives great results, helping to get the job done quickly and with less effort. In the middle of a pine forest covered with white snow, loggers are still plying their work, despite harsh weather conditions. Each wood-cutting machine operates continuously, sharp saw blades tearing apart layers of snow and wood, creating echoing sounds in the quiet space. Besides, the woodpickers also do not stop. Powerful cranes lift each heavy log onto trucks, ready to be transported to the gathering place. Each person on the team is highly focused on their tasks. Woodcutters, in particular, face the greatest challenge when a snowstorm hits. They did not care about the bone-chilling cold or the biting winds, still persistently cutting wood. Each saw stroke was steady and precise. In the snow-covered landscape, the hard work and determination of the loggers shine, creating a vivid and inspiring picture of their tireless work ethic. They are unsung heroes, making an important contribution to providing precious resources, even when facing the harshest natural conditions. Around 3 a.m., Tom started his working day with a wood truck equipped with a built-in wood picker. Although the weather was gloomy and cold, this did not affect Tom's working spirit. He diligently picked up each heavy piece of wood onto the cart. His skillful hands and intense concentration helped the work go smoothly. The morning air was cold. Tom's breath created small clouds of smoke in the air, but he remained persistent and persistent. After the cart was full of wood, Tom began the journey back to the gathering place. The road was covered with fog and cold, but Tom still drove steadily, ensuring the safety of both people and goods. When he arrived, he used a pickup lever to unload the wood, being careful and meticulous in each operation. The sound of machinery mixed with the sound of the wind whistling through the trees creates the music of labor in the deep forest. Tom's diligence and efforts from before dawn until dawn helped him complete a cart full of wood. When sunlight began to filter through the trees, shining down on the parking lot, Tom had completed his first job of the day. The journey following the people who exploit and transport wood here is the end. Thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. Wishing you always full of energy for the new day. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other interesting videos from us.